Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through dollar CAD as we could be looking for a potential short-term reversal opportunity in the market. So I'm back on MetaTrader, just going to break down this market for you. Now you can see I'm on the weekly time frame of dollar CAD, and you can see pretty much for the past sort of year, I would say, we've been pretty much trading within this kind of consolidative range, or this consolidative pattern, and price has recently come into the previous high of it. Now the last times we've been at this area just through here, we've seen rejections and price move to the downside. Now there are a few fundamentals in play at the moment. We know that the dollar is really strong at the minute, so price could extend through this range and trade higher. That is absolutely a possibility. But at the moment, price has been rejecting this area through here. So I'm looking to see if we can get a continuation to the downside, even if it's just in the short term. So if I was to draw those lines out like so you can see that pretty much trading within that kind of horizontal or sort of diagonal range that we've got going on there. Now what's quite interesting is the fact that price has come up into previous structure areas. So if I just delete this top line and I just zoom out a little bit, what is interesting to me is that price has come into a prior area of resistance. So you can see here that when the market reached these highs back in May, we saw the market sell off quite aggressively back down towards that diagonal line, and then price has moved back higher. Now I'm looking to see if sellers are going to enter the market again. Now we have seen some short-term selling, so price has started to short away from that level. So that's initially what I want to see in the market. The next sort of step is I want to see a retest. So I want to see price come back into that area, the same area where sellers came from originally. And if we get some kind of selling pressure here again, some kind of double top, very much like what we had here before, where price came and retested those highs and dropped, I'm looking for a very, very similar thing to happen here again. And if we do get that rejection, I'm going to be looking for some downside opportunities on dollar CAD in the short term. Now, I'm not going to be targeting this major diagonal line just yet. I want to look for closer areas of support and resistance. Now the last time price came into this area here, we've seen some demand. Okay, so price from this level turned and moved to the upside. So really speaking, there are buyers down at this level through here. So I want to see if buyers are going to return back at this point. Okay, now this is a bit more of a larger time frame opportunity. I could show you the profiles around this, but there's just some low volatility levels down through here and through that area. So I thought I'd mix it up today and just show you some horizontal levels instead if you didn't have access to volume profile. But you can see here price came up, rejected this high from that previous high, looking to see if we get another rejection or maybe even a lower high coming into that area for an opportunity back down towards this zone where we had some very strong buyers. If we break this zone, break this low, that's when we could consider coming and seeing if price will trade back down towards this diagonal sort of trend line I've got drawn in down through here. So a bit more of a technical setup, this opportunity. If you do see it, then have a little look at it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think dollar CAD will push towards these lows, or do you think more likely is it going to break out higher? I hope you had a great trading day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.